Sometimes, servers will send back data that has been GZIP compressed when we call from an HTTP client connector. To ensure that data returned from an HTTP client connector is not compressed, you need to add specific headers to your request. Select the Get_Accounts option from the list to configure the request. Click the specified area to continue with the setup. Click on the New Header option to add a new header to the request. Fill in the Accept Encoding field with the appropriate value to specify encoding preferences. Click the indicated area to add another header. Fill the identity field as the value for the header to ensure the data is not compressed. This guide explained how to configure HTTP client connector headers to prevent receiving compressed data from servers, ensuring the returned data is in the requested format.